Everybody, and welcome back to another video. My name is Aiden from Aiden and TNT's YouTube channel, and today I want to do another video on our Lego City. And this is just going to be an update. Maybe I'll do a tour of some things that we did with the other video. So, yeah, as I go over here, this is our, we got a new table for our Lego City, and we decided to extend it. And yeah, this is what it came out to be. So now it's much bigger than it was before. And yeah, so we go over here. This is our skate house. It's kind of like a sports house because we've got a basketball hoop right here, a rock climbing wall, some monkey bars or whatever those are, and this is why it's called skate house. It's because there's the skate park. Except you guys got on a speeder, or snow speeder, not snow speeder, that's from Star Wars, but a snowmobile. So yeah, I'm not sure if that's gonna work out very well. We have this custom tree right here that my brother built. Yeah, it's a really cool tree. Very much like it. Over here, this is our skyline of all of our buildings. So we have a little custom house that I built. We got the Sky Police Air Base, and we got the deli right there. And right there, we have our double toy store. Yeah, both of our toy stores, and we put them together to make it look like it was one big toy store, kind of. But yeah, one is a Creator 3-in-1 Expert, and the other one is from a Lego City set, the Lego City Town Square. So yeah, that's very cool. All these buildings do have an interior, everything. They have, everything in it. So you got some beds right there. You got the main room of the house. I couldn't make this house bigger because I kind of ran out of pieces. But yeah, you got the kitchen with a stove. And over here, this is the inside of the Sky Air Base. This is a Lego City set, so it's not going to have as much detail as this house did. But it has the control tower, a jetpack, the check-in office, and a prison. And here, this is inside the deli. This is another Creator 3-in-1 3-in-1 building, I guess that. But yeah, this is where you can get your sandwich. This is also another townhouse. It's a deli townhouse type building, but yeah, you've got a stove over here, and then up here, this is the part of the house. It's not much of it. Yeah, you've got like a chair, and then you got a cabinet with a lamp on top of it. You've got a girl right there, and then they can go up this ladder right here onto the roof. And you got somebody all bundled up eating food, and then you've got Kylo Ren walking on the street. This is the inside of the first toy shop. So yeah, you've got Lego sets and all types of toy cars and planes and stuff. And up here, there's a bed. Yeah, I haven't looked in this building in such a long time, but yeah, there's a bed with some plants. And you've got a complete deck, except it's looking into the wall. So yeah, inside of this toy store, this is more of a Lego toy store, so it has more of a Lego sets, and it has like a brick wall, and then there's like some costumes that you can buy. It's a space and a knight. And you can see, yeah, there's a knight picking out a Lego set. Here we have a hot dog stand, and a girl taking a photograph of the toy store. I don't know, maybe she's gonna renovate her house and everything. Yeah, as we go over here, we have a trolley station. We made it a bus stop because we don't have a train in our city yet. So I tried to do it on this table, except it didn't fit. So maybe I'll do it like around the whole city. But yeah, this is our bus stop. for right now. All of our trains are up there. That we've got a cargo train, a bullet train, and a trolley. They're all in great condition, so even they're pretty old, like I said. But yep. We got a band playing right there. That's one of my brother put in. That's one of my favorite details in the city. We've got Leia Organa, the old one from the newest Star Wars movies, running on a record player with a banana in the middle of the street. I mean, that's rarely what happens. You've got somebody actually noticing there's a police officer calling for backup. You've got a guy with a giant lollipop that my brother built. And we've got a girl holding some ice cream getting ready to cross the street. Here, right here, we have my dad's 4x4 off-road vehicle that he built with detachable drones. This is one of the drones that can actually come off, and that one is too. And then this guy can control it from, if he turns around, and there's the controls. And then he has like a horn and antennas for people to look at. And then right here, this is one of my favorite vehicles in the city, even though it's smaller. It is the, like I say, Street Sweeper. This is actually a very new set. In it, when you ride it on the street, the things actually go. So yeah, that's very cool. It's actually kind of like a recycling vehicle because you open that latch on the back of the thing right there. It actually like comes out and you can put like Lego pieces in there. Yeah, somebody eating some gross like green stuff. Got a girl with a weird hat and Stitch running along the street with a guy with a custom telephone that we built and Indiana Jones walking on the street. Yeah, and then as I go over here, you've got this red Corvette vehicle that actually we rebuilt. It was from a set that broke from 2013, and we built it. It was a high-speed police chase car, and we just made it into a normal car in the city. This is a custom car that my brother built. It's very cool. It's a Ford Raptor SUV. But yeah, we don't have as much custom things in this city as I would like to, so I'm gonna work on that some other time. But yeah, those are some of our custom things that we've started. This is a motorcycle vehicle. It's missing. The pieces aren't right because I rebuilt it from scrap pieces. So yeah. The motorcycles are completely fine, and the trailer, I did read some of it, but I kind of found the interior of this car, and I rebuilt from it, and I just couldn't find the doors black doors, and I didn't want to take it from any other car, so that's what it turned out to be. Yeah, this is another police mobile command center. There's another one over there. Yeah, that's another one that I rebuilt. It's probably missing a few pieces, but yep, I rebuilt that. Yeah, as I go over here, this is maybe our downtown area, kind of, because most of this is our downtown area, but this is where we're gonna put all of our more creator expert buildings. So yeah, the Ghostbuster station has been moved from here to over there because right here we wanted to make it more of our downtown area, and we didn't like how it went small building, big building. So now it's a big building. So yeah, you've got Slimer and another ghost on the side of that. You've got a Ghostbuster and a ghost fighting outside of the garage door. We do not have the Ghostbuster car because when we got the station, we got the station a long time ago, and we never got the Ghostbuster car. So yeah, it's not in the interior of the Ghostbuster station either. But yeah, you got another Ghostbuster pulling out his zapper to zap this ghost trying to get up the fire escape. We have some robbers that are looking up this plane right here that I put up yesterday. So that's very cool. I used two 1x1 bricks with knobs on the end and grabbed a invisible piece that we had, and I made the plane, and I just put the plane on there to make it look like it was like flying, and instead of putting the holes in the wall like we did with the battle bus, the Lego battle bus that we have, the Batman chase, the stunt plane, the space dudes up there, and our news helicopter. Yeah, that's about it for the Ghostbuster station. Right here, we have the new, well, we just put this in. We found it in our garage. Well, the bottom part was built, and we wanted to build the rest of it during COVID-19, so that's what we've been working on. And we finished it about 2 weeks ago, something like that. So yeah, that's been in the city. So yeah, that's the Lego cafe / hotel set from like 2013 or something. And then yeah, we have this minifigure from a website called Alibaba. This is President Trump. We're using him as businessman right now though. So yeah, just because we wanted to. We got a girl putting up a fence with the person yelling at her with the motorcycle. And yeah, that's that. Go over here. Instead of the escort, I did a robber pulling out the jail bars for the robber to escape, and the police car is going after him. And I tried to fix the police van a little bit because it kind of looked like it was a race car police van, and it had a double roof on it, so I did that and repaired it. I have a very cool car. It's hiding behind this right here. This car is very cool. Hold on, just let me do something with it. This car is battery operated, and it actually does color. There's actually a couple modes on it. Hold on. But I'm pretty sure I can just do... Okay, never mind, I can't get it right now, but yeah, that's what that car does. Oh, sorry about my fingers. But yeah, just let me put that back. So yeah, the buildings that were over here are now over there. You've got the Lego cafe set from 2019 and the townhouse. So yeah, whoops, I just accidentally knocked off a piece of a car. Okay, I can't put it on right now. I just won't show it on the picture. Okay, well, yeah, behind it, we're gonna maybe like put some more stuff, or maybe put like, I don't know, more base plates, or make a parking lot or something. So maybe just not that there's just all this space for nothing. That's same with the skate house. This building's still a work in progress. We're gonna try to put more like streets this way, kind of like how we did with that road right there by the fire engine. Well, yeah, that's about it. Well, the police heist is still there, and then the gas station is the same thing. Everything that was over there from our last video is still the same. The fire station, maybe I'm gonna make the police station a little bigger. Yeah, because that's a custom police station that I built out of our spare pieces from a very old police station that we had. And some of the pieces just went missing, so I took that down and then made one of my other ones. There's nothing really new about here. We just have elephants. We have like a guy on a cow going crazy. We have a dude pressing the bomb thing down, and they have the dynamite right here, and the girl's freaking out. Yeah, we just have a guy head being chopped off by a shark. And we have a fisherman fishing, and you've got a guy paddleboarding right there. Here's all of our Hoth stuff. Being getting ready to move out on the garage for the Hoth battle on Empire Strikes Back. We took down the snowspeeder and put another plane up. And yeah, we got another snowspeeder and everything, so we're totally prepared for that. We're gonna get the new AT-AT that comes out soon. Yeah, that's about it for our Lego City update. Now, I'll see you next time on Aiden and TNT's YouTube channel. Bye.